How to upload videos to IGTV in Instagram in 2023. Today in this video I'll show you how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now open Instagram, and from your main screen tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down to the bottom. You should find Help under More Info and Support. Tap on Help. And then from there, tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem without shaking. And then tap on Include and Continue. From here, you need to inform Instagram support group that you cannot upload videos to IGTV. You can just copy my message that I'm going to type right here. So I tell them that I cannot post to IGTV, so please fix this problem for me as I need to post things to IGTV. And that is it. Once you're done, tap on Send in the top right corner and they should get back to you with an answer within 2 to 3 days. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.